Hello there, I am Safari, and welcome back to more Papa's Pancakeria. Last time we did some thingamabobbs with cranberry. Okay, let's start. Yippee. Alrighty, that's not a name. Milk! I got milk! Okay, let's see. Ding. Alrighty. Yappy, what do you want? Person. Okay, I got it. Milk! Alrighty, one milk. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do something and I was gonna do something, but then I forgot. I'll do it in a bit. Oh, phone! Matt. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, that one. Okay, there we go. Boop. And now we gotta speed up a bit more because I can. And that's pretty gamer. And wait for it is perfect! Yay! I am the best at video gaming. I'm dying again. Gosh dang, video game. Gosh dang, I can't be dying already. Kayla. I think it's supposed to be Kayla, not Kyla. But I'm gonna call you Kyla because I can't read. Okay, 1, 2. And that guy, put that stuff there. We go. Perfect. Oh, wait for it. Bonk. There we go. And then that one. There we go. And done. Now time for the milk. Milk has been made. And bubble. Now it's chocolate milk. Person, yippee. Oh, come on, that was perfect. What the fuck, game? You just wanted to not give me the thingamabobs. Whatever. Scooter. Okay, thank you. Bye. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wait for it. Perfect. Alright, now the banana nut bread is the banana. 1, 2, 3. Plus the maple syrup. That's what it was. And then the other one. 1, 2, 3. And then it was no. Where is that maple syrup? I had it and then it was gone. Oh, that's finished. Bonk. Person. It's you. Yuri. Okay. Coffee. Of course. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Badonk. And badonk, bonk. And then the cream. What happens if you put cream in milk? Does it just make it more milky? I don't know. Anyways, there you go, Matt. Yay, I am the best at giving things. Alright. Now, of course, 1, 2, 3. That one, bonk that on, there we go. And then, oh, phone, give me a second, I'm busy. Phone! Tony! Okay, I got it, and a milk. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3, and now back to you. Alrighty, And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, done. And then the raspberries. Man, I wish I could give some good commentary, but apparently I'm not good at that. Because I'm not good at anything except video games. It's my curse of video games. Gosh dang it, Kayla. Being like that. 1, 2, 3. Person! Kahuna, wait. Pause. What was I supposed to do with Kahuna? I know there was something. What was it? What was it that I had to do with him? Honey Hive. Okay, I don't remember that one. Where is it? Honey Hive. Okay, I can do that. Okay. Waffle with blueberries, then honey. Then a normal pancake with blueberries. Then 4 bananas. Then another waffle with blueberries, then honey. I got it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Blue. And now we're time to do number 4. 1. And where was it? I don't know. There it is. Oh, hang on. I'm almost done. Okay, perfect. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now, badonk. And then you. Put you there. That's pretty good. Wait for it. Do. Okay. And now you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that one, and the ice. Okay, got it. Bonk. There you go. Number 4. Awesome, Scooter. Have fun being a skater, boy. That's a reference. 1, 2, 3. And, those are ready? Gosh dang, I didn't think they would be that ready, but apparently they were. Okay, the maple of the syrup. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And then that guy. And then that one. And then bonk. There you go. Number 5, Yuri. Yay. Alright, now number 6. 1, 2, 3. Bonk. 1, 2, 3. And then another one with the maple syrup. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And done. Okay, now milk. And that guy, bonk. Perfect. There you go, Tony. Yay, come on, that was perfect game. Alright, now, I gotta do that. Okay, no, that's the wrong button. No, not you right now. I'm busy. I gotta look at things. Where was it? I know it was somewhere. Okay, and then it's not that one. It's the cookbook. Okay, Honey Hive. Honey, then that one, then 4 bananas, then the waffle, then honey again. Okay. Got it. Honey. Okay. That looks pretty good. That one. Then it was, what was it again? I've already forgot. And then 4 bananas, that one, then honey. Okay. 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one. Then honey on top, and then I give it to him, and then I'm done. I guess that's perfect. Okay, large you with the ice. Bonk. And done. There you go. There's a honey hive. I am the best at video games. Alrighty. What's my score today, video game? Alright, and it is something good? Something good? Come on. No. Alright. I don't like this game. Alright. Now I'm gonna do that because I remembered it. Okay, you got a gift, Marty. Come in. You got a gift. Come on, show me all of your gifts. Nice. And you got a gift. And now... Okay. You got a gift. Oh, man. Alright, now, I want to do... Where is he? Where is that duder? Because I remember what I need to do with him, but I don't know where he is. Where is that duder? Duder. Where is that duder? I don't know where he is. He's somewhere in here. Big Polly. The blue bunion. Yes, I will do that. You, Big Polly, get into our thing and I will give you your thingy-mabob. Alright, time to start. Amy. Okay. Day 89. My mans. Alrighty, Amy. Okay, I got it. One of those. Alrighty. Okay, and 1, 2. Speed up, boo, up, boo, up, boo, up, boo, up, boo. So quick. Phone. Zolo. Wow, he actually wants something different. That's cool. You couldn't have that any other time? No? Now is the cool time? Okay, fine. Whatever. I didn't want to do it anyways. Alright, I gotta activate the speed of up. And wait for it. Done. Come on, finish that off so I don't have to deal with it. Okay, and now you're gonna go right there. Perfect. 1, 2. Marty has a golden thingy-mabob. I am getting it because I'm sick and tired of making this garbage. So I gotta do Marty's order perfectly so I can get all the goodies. Alright. But first, I gotta do this one. One of you. And then, you. Okay, perfect. Person. 1, 2. And then, where is it? There it is. Plonk that stuff on top. And then, no, not that one. Bonk. It was you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And ice. Person is here. Who is it? It's Scarlet. Okay. Hi, Scarlet. Alright, yours is gonna be a bit because I have better things to do. Sorry, Scarlet. There we go. And now, number 1. Oh. Okay, that's ready. Oop. I said that's ready, and you know it, game. Alright, Amy. There you go. Have fun with that. Yay. Alright, next up, the banana nut bread. No, I didn't want to add that yet. But you know what? That goes there. 1, 2, 3. Bonk, bonk. And then another one. And then bonk, bonk, bonk. And then the, that stuff. Hang on, I'm busy. I gotta do this. Person, Big Polly! Come in, it's Big Polly. Okay, let me pause. Menu. What was it? What did Big Polly want? The blue bunion. Okay, blue bunion. 4 of those. You got it, Big Polly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait. Those are done. Oops. Come on, finish that up. Thank you. Alright, number 2 is now done. Okay, orange and then the cream. You disgusting. Bonk! There you go, Zolo. I put milk in your thingy-mabob because apparently you like that, which is the most disgusting thing I have ever seen in my entire life. Seriously, who the fuck does that? Alright, anyways, let's continue. Person on the phone, I gotta get that. Who is it? Frizz. Okay, I got it. Bye. I don't think there was anything with him, so I don't have to worry about him. Alright, next up is another one. And then that one. Oh, those are all ready. 1, 2, 3. No, that's the one button. You know it, game. And then it's the, where is it? There it is. Okay, add that there. And then it's this stuff. And then the raspberries, and then I'm done. Oh, person at the door again. It's Quinn! Alright, Quinn, what do you want? Okay, thank you, Quinn. Bye. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now the raspberries, because I gotta do it. Add the raspberries on. Perfect. And then done. I hope I got it in the time, because I don't know. Maybe. It's perfect otherwise. Yay, I got it! Heck yeah, now I can do other things today. Awesome. Well, not today, tomorrow. I guess. Is what I meant to say. Not today. I'm not doing that today. That's tomorrow's job. Alright, anyways. Bonk, bonk. And then there we go. And then put that stuff on top of it. And the other thingy-mabob, which looks like that one. 1, 2, 3. Bonk, bonk, bonk. There we go. And that's ready. Wait for it, wait for it. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Back over here. Number 4, there you go. Have fun. Alright, now it's blue bunion. Alright, let me see how you do it. Pause. You. Okay, how do I do the blue bunion? Okay, I got it. That's how you do the blue bunion. 1, 2, 3, 4. This stuff, and then the blueberry sauce. Okay, got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. And then the coffee with the sugar. Oh my god, you know what I just realized today? We haven't had a single decaf in this episode. My god. I don't even have to increase the counter. I'm feeling a little sad now. Gosh dang, I didn't even think of that. My man, I don't even know if we're gonna have any more decafs. Gosh dang. Well, whatever. Let's hope I can get more. Anyways, number 6. There you go, Professor Fwiz. Yay! I am awesome at that. Alright, now time for Quinn's order, and then I'm done. Okay, and then that stuff. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that stuff on top of it. Yes, perfect. Like that. And then done. And done. Bonk. I am the best. There you go, Quinn. Yay. Only 2 more stars and then she's done. Alrighty, game. What's my score and what am I doing? Okay, come on. Give me my score. But what's my score, game? And level 51. Dairy Royalty. Heck yeah. Slider Escape. Oh, man. Oh, this one again. That way, that way, that way. That way, that way, that way, that way. Bonk! Yay, I am the best. I mean, we only have 4 more, but I don't know. This episode's been going for a bit. Alright. Okay, now this one's easy, actually. Like that, and then, wait. No. Crap. Let me do that one more time. I know I can do that one. Oh, never mind. Okay, bonk. Blonk. And then blonk, blonk, blonk. Wait, no. Garbage. Gosh dang it, video game. Whatever. So until next time on Papa's Pancakeria, we'll be going into St. Patty's Day, and we have a different thing of the Nutty Flapjacks. So until then, bye!